Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Webull, a popular online trading platform. Webull offers a range of features and tools to help you navigate the financial markets with ease. To get started, first download and install the Webull app on your device or access it through the website. Once you have installed Webull, you will need to create an account. This involves providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to fund your account, which can be done through various payment methods such as bank transfers or online payment services. After your account is set up, you can start exploring the platform. The homepage provides an overview of the market, including real-time quotes, news, and analysis. You can customize the layout to suit your needs and add or remove widgets as required. To start trading, navigate to the trade section of the platform. Here you can enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy or sell, and select the order type, such as market or limit order. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Webull also offers a range of analytical tools to help you make informed investment decisions. These include technical indicators, charts, and financial statements. You can use these tools to analyze the performance of individual stocks, as well as the overall market trends. In addition to trading, Webull also offers a range of educational resources to help you improve your investment skills. These include video tutorials, webinars, and articles on various topics related to investing and trading. To get the most out of Webull, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and analysis. The platform provides real-time news feeds and alerts to keep you informed of market developments. You can also set up custom alerts to notify you of specific events or changes in the market. Finally, Webull prioritizes the security of your account and transactions. The platform uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect your personal and financial information. It is also regulated by reputable financial authorities to ensure compliance with industry standards. In conclusion, Webull is a powerful trading platform that offers a range of features and tools to help you navigate the financial markets. By following these steps and using the platform's analytical tools and educational resources, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.